Welcome back to our draw tutorial for kids. Sparkle's Artist Palette. Hello, young artists and creative adventurers. We're thrilled to welcome you back to your favorite spot for fun, easy, and imaginative drawing tutorials, Art Draw Tutorial for Kids. Whether you've been with us from the beginning or are just discovering our colorful world, we're here to inspire you with more exciting art projects and drawing lessons designed just for you. Today I will show you how to draw a horse in a very simple way. Please follow and draw with us. Hey there, young artists! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn how to draw a simple horse. So, grab your pencils, and let's gallop into the world of drawing together. We'll start with our horse's mouth. Draw a small curved line like a backward C on the left side of your paper. This will be the beginning of our horse's smile. Now, let's shape the head. From the top of the mouth, draw a line that curves up and then down, like a big hill, to form the top of the head and nose. Then, bring a line down from the nose to complete the face. Next up, the front legs. Move a little to the right and draw two parallel lines down from the body. These are the first front leg. For the second leg, draw another set of parallel lines slightly behind and to the right of the first leg. Don't forget to add small hooves at the bottom. For the hind legs, start a bit higher up on the body and draw two lines coming down and then curving back, like a backward C. This makes one hind leg. Repeat on the other side, but make sure this leg is slightly B. Let's connect everything with the horse's body. Draw a line from the back of the head, down and across to the hind legs, making a nice, big belly. Then, connect the front legs with a smooth line to complete the body. Now for some fun, the mane. Starting from the top of the head, draw zigzag lines going down the back of the neck. Make them as wild or tame as you like. This is your horse, after all. Our horse needs a tail. From the back end, draw a long, flowing line that curves at the end. Add some lines inside for texture to make it look full and wavy, and there you have it, a beautiful simple horse. You've done an amazing job. Now, you can add some grass, a sun, or even a barn to complete your picture. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time.